be a paradise.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liliana, aka Glamly Slays, and I'm glad that you guys returned. And in this video, I'm going to be showcasing the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration highlighter. So, as you can tell, it's pretty dope. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I already jumped forward and did my eyebrows. What we're going to do is we're going to start on the eyes. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Tarte Shape Tape as a primer so all the colors can stand out a lot better. I'm just going to put it like this on both eyes. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to buff that out all over the lid. And make sure you really buff it out because you're going to get creasing with the concealer, because I'm not going to put any powder on it because it's going to make the color stand out a lot more. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the shade Orange Soda, and I'm going to be putting that onto the crease and brow, like brow area, this area, over here. So I'm just going to use light pressure and start blending it through. So I'm just going to start building up the color by adding a little more each time I blend through it. It's okay if it gets onto the lid because we're just going to use concealer anyways to clean it up. Going back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to be using the shade Burnt Orange. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just going to put a little on this side, a little on that side. And just blend it outwards. I'm not going to go all the way because I'm going to blend in a dark color on the sides. Make sure you buff out the ends, because what happens is the color that you put that's dark right here, it'll make the line, if you do not blend it out, it'll make a very dark line and you can't darken it back up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the Rose Pink, and I'm just going to follow what I did with the concealer. Oh, this Rose Pink is very pigmented. So going back in with the same Morphe brush, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Rustic. So I'm going to create a wing liner kind of with it, and I'm just going to start softly at first and then build the color up and pour it down. What this is going to do is it's going to give your eyes like a lift. And I'm just going to blend that on to the shade Rose Pink. And then I'm going to go back in with the diffuser brush and Orange Soda, and I'm just going to blend this out right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and darken it just a tad bit with Cypress Umber. And I'm just going to lightly tap that onto the Morphe brush again. And then just touch it focused on the outer corner of the eye. So the foundation I'm going in with is the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 220. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that onto a beauty blender and then start buffing it onto my skin. Onto my ears, because the shade's just a little dark, but it's okay because I'm getting tanner anyways. Okay, so going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette, I'm just going to highlight my face. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. So next I'm going to bake using the Mehron setting powder, and I'm just going to pour that into a lid that I had lying around and bake my face. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face with City Color bronzer. It's nothing fancy, or it's Beauty Treats. It's one of the two. And I'm just going to contour my face. So I'm just going to let this sit for a little bit and then we'll wipe it right off. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to dust off the translucent powder. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend all the bronzer in with a foundation brush, and I'm just going to do circular motions and blend it all. We're going to go back and do our under eyes using the soft Glam palette. And the first shade that I'm going to go in and use on this is the shade Dusty Rose. So the highlighter I'm going to be using, of course, is the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration. And this is her. Let's hope that this highlighter makes some waves, yes? So first I'm going to go in with my small highlighter brush and make it like really bright, and then I'm going to go back in with my bigger highlighter brush and blend it all out. Oh. I'm trying to bright like a diamond over here. It's time to blend it out. So what I do is I barely tap it like this on there, and then I go ahead and just buff it out. The final step is I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm using the Colourpop Lippie in Pillow Talk, and I'm just going to kind of ombre into Dose of Colors and Desi Collection, and the shade is No Shade. And here we have it. This is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to thumbs it up and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.
Only 'cause we never say what